Welcome to this guide on how to install Apache Hop using the Hop config folder. Imagine this situation. You're using the latest Apache Hop version and have already set up your first project with environment files, connections, and other metadata objects. A new Apache Hop version is available, and you want to upgrade but don't want to lose your configurations. How do you do that? The recommended best practice is to set up a system environment variable, hop config folder, that will contain the path to the config folder. When you install Hop, the hop config folder contains the hop config JSON file, the default installation projects, and the metadata folder. The hop config JSON file contains configuration settings for Apache Hop, including system variables, GUI properties, and project-specific configurations. By setting a system variable for the config folder, you can keep your configuration separate from your Hop installation, ensuring you don't lose any settings when upgrading to a new version. In Windows, search for Environment Variables in the Start menu and select Edit the System Environment Variables. Click on the Environment Variables button and add a new user variable named hop_config_folder and set its value to the path where you want to store your Apache Hop configuration. In macOS or Linux, open your terminal and edit your shell configuration file. For example, open zshrc using the command of your preference. Once opened, add the system environment variable. Add the following line to your configuration file. Then save the changes. After saving the file, apply the changes by running. Now download and unzip the new Apache Hop version. When you open the Hop GUI in the new version, the default project will be selected by default, but your configured project will be in the projects list. Selecting your project will also display the environment. Apart from the hop config folder variable, there are some other important environment variables that can be configured. Hop audit folder. Set this variable to a valid path on your machine to store Hop's audit information. Hop plugin base folders. It points Hop to a comma-separated list of folders where additional plugins are located, and when used, it overrides the default plugins folder unless it is included. Hop shared JDBC folders. Set this variable to a comma-separated list of folders containing JDBC drivers. If you change this from the default lib JDBC, ensure you include the default folder path to maintain access to the default drivers. In the next video, we'll explore Hop Conference command line tool to configure projects and environments. So be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out.